Is your child always questioning how things work? What if all the answers are in the games they play? What if they could learn to view the world from an engineer's perspective? At E² Young Engineers, we believe the best way to teach science and mathematics is by making the learning experience fun and interactive. Using our specially designed kits, each lesson teaches your child about the engineering and physics that goes into the machines we use every day. Our active learning method uses stories and demonstrations to teach the children not only about STEM, but also teamwork and problem solving. It's educational, fun, and most importantly, it gives children the skills they need to succeed in the 21st century. Young Engineers, because the world's next great inventor could be your child.